Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to change currency in Kraken. If you are using Kraken to trade or check balances, you might want to view your assets in a different currency. So in this guide, I will show you exactly how you can do that. First of all, open the Kraken application on your device and log in. After you're signed into the home page, click on your name initial at the top left corner. From the expanded menu that pops up on the screen, click on Preferences. Under Preferences, select Currency. Select a different currency you want to change to from the list available at the bottom. Pick the currency you want and Kraken will automatically update all prices and balances in the chosen currency. There you have it. That's how you successfully change your currency display on Kraken. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.